Hi YouTubers. Today it's been a pretty rainy, gloomy day down here in southern Ohio. I've been sitting back listening to some music today. This album here by the Beach Boys, it was put out in 1967. This is a 3-record album. The last I'd heard about this one, it was probably $100, but it was real relaxing to listen to this today. I thought I'd do a EDC update for 2013. Here's my billfold, same one. Car keys. There's my team. They lost again in the playoffs. Cell phone, chapstick, a zebra pen, just a cheaper pen there, it's a Bold, a magnifying glass. Here's my 2 lights there. I got an Energizer, Dorsey. I've been carrying them quite a bit. Little Victorinox Classic. What I've been carrying though, it's a big Kershaw Energy 2. Nice big knife. Gerber LST, really light. CRKT Ichi. Been carrying all 3 of them knives. Well, here I got something else here. I gave one of these away the other day. A little Colt neck knife. So, again, I want to thank all my subscribers. And that's Pap's Knife 63. Thanks a lot.